Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Blush Anokat. This is me Simran back again with a new video. Now this video is again about Nykaa Howl, and I have purchased few Nike products from Nykaa Cosmetics. Of course other brands are also there. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I have bought and what not, what I have liked and what I didn't. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click on the bell icon to stay updated, and also subscribe to my channel. So these are the few products that I have bought. It's not a very big haul. As you can see, I just have few products, one or two lipsticks and one blush and bronzer. So the first product that I have is this Nykaa Wonder Puff Lip and Cheek Cushion Lipstick Tint. Now इसकी original price is $8.99, but right now Nykaa पे sale चल रही है, so you'll get it in something 650, 350, 450 or something like that. I'll give the link in the description box so you can purchase it. And so you can see this is a very nudish color, not like a coral nude. This is very light. This is not good for medium to dusky skin tones. I'll prefer, like, you can see the shade even when I applied it on my hand. I can see the least amount of color there. Like, I don't think so you guys can see any color, like just a bit of tint or something like that. So yeah, that's exactly how it is. You can apply it on your cheeks as a blush, but I don't think so this will look good on lips. Yeah, this is nice. I like its packaging a lot and everything. Its applicator is also very good. So you can buy some other shade. The next product that I have is this Swiss Beauty blush and highlighter. Now this is a baked highlighter and blusher. इसकी original price is $349 and मेरे को भी इसी price में मिला, and I'm in the shade 03. Now this is a multi-purpose product. Not multi-purpose, actually you can only two things with it. Like, you can use it as a highlighter or a blush. Now what I like is that I have always been attracted to shimmery blushes rather than matte ones. So I just remove my brush all over it and apply it as a blusher, so I get like both the finishes. Like, it works as a highlighter and gives the color to your cheek as well. So yeah, I like it a lot. You can see it, and this is a very pigmented product. Now Swiss Beauty is really nice. I haven't used all of the products of Swiss Beauty, but yeah, whatever I have used, I have liked it. Be it this blusher or the makeup fixer, I have loved them. Okay, so guys, moving on to the next product. The next product that I have is a bronzer from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Now this is my first ever purchase from e.l.f. Cosmetics. इसके पहले मैंने कभी e.l.f. Cosmetics से कुछ लिया नहीं. So as soon as it came on Nykaa, I purchased this. Now this is a bronzer. I am in the shade golden और इसकी price है 600 rupees और मुझे 600 में ही ये मिला था. I liked this. I won't say I loved this product because yeah, like, it is good but not that good even. Yeah, I bought it because I have combination skin and I prefer powder products over creme products. Next I have a brow gel from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Now guys, this is a magical product. It automatically lifts up your brows. Like, it gives you that perfect model finished brows, and I loved it. I genuinely loved it. I am in the shade brunette and इसकी price भी 600 है. So yeah, all you need to do is just brush some of the product on your brows and you're good to go. And you can see iska color and everything. Like, everything is so good. You guys do give it a try. I'll always recommend this product. The next product that I have is this liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. Now I guess all of you know that इसकी बहुत hype मची हुई है. Everyone is recommending this, and yeah, but personally like, it worked well for me. I liked it. I'm in the shade 04. अभी मैंने एक ही ख़रीदा because I just wanted to give it a try. And ये एक product is only for rupees 200, that like only 199 rupees. And if you buy it like during sale or something तो ये और कम में आपको मिल जाएगा. Now you can see it's so pigmented and it's so good. Just apply some matte eyeshadow and then apply this all over it, and like all over your lid, and you're good to go. Next product that I have is this iconic kajal from Lakme, and I'm in the shade Classic Brown. I got it for rupees 275 if I'm not wrong. Now I liked it and I purchased this because I wanted to try some sort of like brown smoky eye. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the swatch of it, like 1 to 2 strokes and you're good to go. I'm gonna swatch it and show it to you. Now you can see this is a nice brown color. I really like this, and I use iska black one bhi, like from a very long time I'm using the black one. Now the next product that I have is this Nykaa matte luxury lipstick in the shade Staycation. Now I got it for 679 rupees क्योंकि इसका sale चल रही थी, and इसका original price is 800, that is 799 rupees. Now this is more on like a pinkish and reddish red color mila ke the shade that you'll get. This is like that. It has now iska, you can see it has a magnetic cap, like, so it's not gonna open easily. The shade is really good, like as soon as you are going to apply it, it will instantly brighten up your face. And this is like is range mein I also like the vintage toasted brown. Now that is like brownish color, and athleisure. These three shades also I like. I just wanted to give it a try, and that's why I purchased the shade Staycation. The next product that I have is again from Elf Cosmetics. Now this is the lip lacquer. I'm in the shade Clear, and its price is 400 and I got it for 400 only. Now as you can see, trend mein hai glossy lips, so I also wanted to try, or I'm also getting addicted to glossy lips more than mattes nowadays. So yeah, this is nice. Like if you are finding something budget mein, then this gloss is really nice, but this is like more on the sticky side. I don't think so all of you are going to enjoy using this because this is really sticky, and its applicator is very thin. Like it's not that good. Its applicator is not that good. So yeah, if you have the budget, like if you want to invest, please invest in this gloss, which is from Huda Beauty, and this is the Silk Lip Balm by Huda Beauty, and this is amazing, you guys. This is actually clear gloss, but इसमें ना बहुत minute shiny particles है, बहुत minute. Like this is going to give you perfect lustrous glossy lips. You are going to love it, and this is not at all sticky, and its applicator is really good. Like now its price is 1750 rupees, which is like really a lot. That's not affordable. So yeah, you can give it a try if you want to invest in a good gloss. That's it for this video, you guys. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you like my content, then also try to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated. And if you want, you can leave some sort of comment in the comment section, like if you want me to improve my quality or something else, or some sort of comment ideas. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and keep loving everyone. Thanks for watching, you guys.